We were in the 30s this morning, now back to the 50s in some areas, but that's thanks to the sunshine, and it is a very, very nice Friday for it. Right there at the LMCU ballpark, plenty of sunshine, overlooking Coldwater as well. Plenty of sun, a few high clouds out on the horizon, but those are insignificant and will remain so this afternoon and this evening. Now our temperatures, again, starting to rebound. 53 in Grand Rapids, 56 already in Kalamazoo, Fremont, and Muskegon. We are going to get back to the 60s this afternoon, mid 60s for most, 67 Kalamazoo, 64 in Grand Rapids, 64 in Holland and Muskegon and Big Rapids as well. So not half bad of a day. Again, about 8 degrees below average, so it is chillier than what we're used to, but it is a fairly comfortable day when we factor in the sunshine and the light winds. Really, really dry air as well. These dew points are only in the 30s and 40s. And that just represents the moisture in the air. So again, not much moisture in the air, very dry. This is when we start to see the dew and the frost. We didn't see any frost in West Michigan. There was some frost reported just north of Big Rapids earlier this morning. And there were a couple of freeze warnings up in northern lower Michigan as well. But that's all gone. We're going to rebound nicely the rest of this afternoon. Winds are very light out of the north, south and east, or even out of the east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Not going to pick up much this afternoon. And that's going to be the story for the weekend. We'll see increasing clouds because of that light wind as another system slowly starts to move in. That scattered showers will persist pretty much all weekend and even into early parts of next week. It does drive in even cooler air than what we're seeing today or tomorrow. We'll be in the 60s for the weekend, but in the 50s to start our work week. So here's a look at the cloud cover right now. Not much happening, very quiet, just a few clouds right along the lakeshore, but those are insignificant. We'll start to see these clouds continue to lift into our region with plenty of rain out to the west. This is slowly sliding to the north and east. We're going to be catching this all weekend long. So here's a look at future track. Increasing clouds by the time we get to this evening. For football games this evening, going to remain dry, but there will be a few clouds around. Then the rain builds to the north and east. We'll see scattered showers Saturday afternoon and into Sunday morning as well. This does look to linger into Monday as well. So again, we're going to see a decent amount of shower chances. It's not going to be all day rain, and it's not going to be heavy rain as well. Just looks like some steady showers throughout the weekend, maybe a rumble of thunder Saturday night into Sunday morning, but that looks insignificant as well. So 64 today, looks like the last dry day for a couple. Saturday and Sunday, plenty of rainfall to go around. Temperatures continue to drop. Overnight lows stay in the 50s though, so a fairly mild stretch with the cloud cover and the rain. Monday and then finally on Tuesday and into early Wednesday morning, it looks to dry out, but we do see the cool down in temperatures. Notice back to the 30s. We are back to the 60s for the highs, but going forward, things are starting to trend a little warmer. We normally see one 80-degree day in October, at least that's the average. Now seeing this warmer than average, I'm not guaranteeing another 80-degree day, but it looks like we're going to get another decent warm up by the time we get to the end of next week. Our average high is about 70, 69 degrees, so looks like we could trend back in the 70s at least for a decent